Hello children, happy morning. How are you all? Hope so you're all doing great and successfully you have completed your PA2 exams in online form, and hope so now you have got an idea how to do your online exams. Are you happy about online exams, children? Yes. Now you are getting upgraded yourself into the technical gadgets, how to do the online exams. So this is like grappling into the next step in your life. It will promote you. After writing the exams, you would have a confusion like what will be the answer for this question and that question. And my 8th students, when your PA1 exam got over, you asked me to discuss the questions. On Saturday, I could not schedule a Zoom meeting. The reason is we had a meeting in school. I went to school for a meeting, so I could not schedule a meeting for you. And try to participate in the Zoom meeting, children. Zoom meeting is important. Hereafter, I'm going to schedule it in a different way. It is not going to be like a doubt clearance session. Okay, we'll do something interesting hereafter in Zoom session. That previously I'll give you the schedule, what has to be done. Okay, so we will think about it. And today I have come out with no slides. You may wonder why there is no slide today, and when the class opens, ma'am is giving a talk to us with no supported slides. Is there any guess behind it? Okay. The session which we are going to have today is the question paper discussion. Your PA2 question paper discussion. I am going to give you some areas where your answers are wrong and we are going to see such questions. Shall we start the session now? Okay. Before getting into the session, here, this is the thing you are studying in your graph in 8th standard. Am I right, children? You can see this. When you see this, what comes to your mind? Your maths class comes to your mind. The histograms, the bar graph, which comes to your mind. You might wonder, what is this? So, when you people listen to your maths class and you draw the histograms over there, the bar diagrams, histograms is called as bar diagrams. Even I wanted to show you the range of your answers. See here, in your question paper, we had questions starting from question number 1 to 35. Okay, this is the thing. And here you can take it like the question paper was divided into sections, number of respondents. Respondents is nothing but you can just have a mere calculation over here. So, from question number 1 to 10, your response was not good. Whereas from question number 13 till 23, a good response. And from question number 25 till 30, the range of bar diagrams, it goes good. So here you can see the range how you have answered. From question number 1 to 5, the answers were not good. And from question number 13 to 20, answers somewhat it can be taken into consideration. So this is an insight graph. Insight graph is nothing but this is your class average. 22.4 is the class average of the subject out of 50. So you have not reached the point called 25. This is the reason why I am having this class as a question paper discussion. Shall we get into the thing now? And before that, come on, see this, children. This is correct responses. From question number 7, you can see correct responses. Read the given sentences and choose the correct option to its complete meaning. 17 people out of 62 people, only 17 people have got it right. Choose the correct option by converting into indirect speech also. Out of 62 people, 8 of you got it right. We had class on reporting speech from direct to indirect speech, but there is no use. List out the events in the chronological order. Only 6 responses were correct. When you just turn the pages of the lesson, glimpses of the past, you can see the headings over there. The company's conquest, British rule, oppression, revolt, spark, it goes in an order. That you have to arrange. See the correct response? Only 6. McCavity is a dash form of poetry. Only 7 correct answers. I have discussed all these questions and videos. What is the use then? Are you listening to the videos carefully? If you are not going to listen to the videos carefully, no learning will happen, children. I can assure you, no learning will happen. And comparing to previous marks, this time, your marks, some of your marks was low. From those students, I was expecting a very high mark, but your marks is not up to the average. Shall we go into the questions now? Shall we discuss the question answers? Okay, let us get into the questions. Wait for a while. Start discussing the question. First comes the reading passage. And this passage, you know that this passage is like a stress buster. Okay. Stress buster is nothing but when you listen to music, you will become relaxed. That is this paragraph. Stress has become an inescapable part of our lives. Even you are getting stressed. Through this online session, are you getting stressed, children? Yes, some amount of stress is there. And I can tell you one thing here. It is not because of the online sessions you are not getting stressed. There are some people who always have their mobile phone in hand. They are getting stressed because of playing games. So this paragraph is regarding the stress buster. Okay. Complete the following statement by selecting the most appropriate options given below. Dash helps in relaxation of our body and mind. Which music? Either it is a pop music, jazz music, or rock music, or soothing music. See, this word you can't find it in the passage over there. You can't find it. But there is an indirect word in the passage. Listening to music, particularly gentle, calming, and melodious. What is the meaning of all these words? Gentle, calm, and melodious. That is called soothing music. What is the answer for this question then? Yes, it is soothing music. Okay, come to the next question. And you can find the direct answer for this question. The natural painkillers released in our brain are endorphins. Maximum of you have given the right answer over here, endorphins. Next question. Music is helpful in improving the dash of students. Concentration, emotion, relaxation, and anxiety. What will be the answer? Yes, it is concentration. What is the answer? Concentration is the answer. You can even see the answer over here. Come to the next question. Which word from the passage means the same as to renew? What is the meaning of the word renew? Yes, it is rejuvenate. What is the answer? Yes, it is rejuvenate. Next, I'll show you the answer even. It is rejuvenate. Next, listening to good music helps in improving your personality. It gives you positive energy. It gives you happiness. So what will be the answer? All the above. Listening to good music helps in improving your personality. It gives you positive energy. It gives you happiness. And so the answer is all the above. Come to the next thing now. In section B, in grammar part, See, this is a question which you will get it in your board examination point of view. You have to fill in the blanks with the words which is given over here. You can find that, okay. Understand the given question and answer them with most appropriate options. Reading a novel dash language dash dramatically dash psychological response, sorry, it is physiological dash physiological response to emotion such dash smiling. So you can see reading a novel at second language, no. Reading a novel of second language can come, but reading a novel in second language, that is the right answer. Whereas this of can be appropriate, but you have to check the answers with other questions also. Reading a novel of second language would dramatically reduced. Here there is a word called reduce. Will it come like this? No. So what will be the answer then? Reading a novel in second language could dramatically reduce physiological, sorry children, again and again I am reading it as psychological, dramatically reduce physiological response to emotions, physiological response to emotion such as smiling. So why I am making use of the word psychology over here is reading is something related to psychology. That is the reason why again and again I am making use of the word called psychology. It is not psychology, children. What is the word it is? It is physiological response. Okay. What is the right answer? In, could, reduce, as is the right answer. Next. Here, this question I have taken from your IEO book, okay, Olympiad book, in order to check your understanding, whether you have the patience to read the sentence. Disposal of household waste is daunting task for local authorities. Disposal of household waste. So, in household waste, we have two categories. One is degradable, biodegradable, and the other one is non-biodegradable, okay. Where you can segregate the thing as degradable waste and non-degradable waste. Degradable waste is nothing but it will cause no pollution, okay. It will just get decayed and it will become degraded. It will become nothing. But when it's non-biodegradable means it can't be recycled. And the other thing is you can find that it will lead to pollution, a kind of pollution. So disposal of household waste is a daunting task. Daunting means it is a challenging task for local authorities. Two sentence is not given for you. The final statement is given for you. One way to reduce waste therefore is to segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, as ma'am told you before, as its source. So now I have given you three statements. You have to check which three statement which will get connected with the sentence. Effort should be made to recycle household waste. Disposal of household waste is daunting task. So they cannot just dump waste in landfills. Okay, so I have given the answer here as it is a daunting task for local authorities. So it has been already discussed that it is a challenging task for local authorities. Again, this sentence can be added, effort should be made to recycle household waste. No. We have already told that it is a challenging task. Then how? They cannot just dump waste into landfills. What they can't do? They cannot just dump waste into landfills. This is because household waste contains many materials and substances which are extremely harmful to the environment. What will be the answer then? Easily, in an easy manner you can find out the statement. E and F is the answer. What are the answers? E and F is the answer. Whereas D will not get included in the statement because the statement 1 has already discussed something. What will be the answer, children? E and F will be the answer. D cannot be included here because we have already told that that is a challenging task. So it cannot be included here.